Hi, Regina here. I want to encourage you to journal your ideas. I have a book here that I write my ideas that come through my mind, or perhaps I get some inspiration and I write it down. And it's a really good thing to do, since after a while you will see kind of a pattern, and you can use them to make videos like this on social media, or you can use it as quotes, or it could be inspiration for a book of yours as well. When you journal different things, you will, as I said, see a pattern, see a topic. It kind of develops into different topics. I also use it for my blog postings I have on my website. I read something the other day on social media, I don't remember where, about that humans are purpose-driven. And within personal development, many talk about it's important to identify your purpose, why you do what you do, or your purpose is the basis of your behavior. Why you get out of bed in the morning, perhaps to say, okay, I need to get to my job. I need to work to support my family. Good. It's a really good thing. But is there something you want to change? If you feel unhappy, unsatisfied, disappointed, you have expected more out of life, you can change things. You can change the job if you don't feel that your job makes you unhappy. That is something really serious. It is possible to change your job. Perhaps you can start a kind of a side hustle on your own business, and then you can keep your job, and that will give you the self-fulfillment, that you will feel that you are working on something, so you eventually can change your career or change your job. That is really interesting. It's kind of a sad thing that time flies, right? So you can keep going and do nothing about it, be miserable for decades if you don't do anything about it. That is not a good idea. So I really want you to encourage you to see what you can do within your circumstances. We can make small adjustments, can make a huge difference in the long run. So it's a good idea to map out a plan of yours. I have coaching sessions, and I help you to customize your plan according to your circumstances. I give you the input, and I also help you to identify what is possible for you, how you can reach it, your goals, and we make some strategies how you can reach the goals that you have. So don't believe that is not possible for you. Don't make that conclusion, because I have achieved things that I'm very happy about, that has given me a lot of joy. And you can check out my websites, different things that I've been doing. And I also have this coaching session. So I really, really want to encourage you to, if you are not content with your job or any other circumstances, it is possible to change them. In personal development, now it also say that you are kind of like 5 closest people that you associate with. So that is also very important, that you have friends that supports you and believes in you, and not are belittling you. That's not a good idea, to be belittled to someone. You can make small changes in your habits. It's also a good idea to write down your habits, so you get to know yourself and question why you do things you do. Many things we have created habits from when we were children, and we do things, so many things on autopilot. So if you write down everything what you have been doing, kind of analyze, have a week where you analyze everything that you do and your thoughts and everything. Could be a whole book, right? And then you will see kind of a pattern of bad habits or good habits, and you can encourage yourself and make rewards to yourself for the good things that you do, and kind of investigate and cheer you on to leave bad habits. It is possible. You know that. It's been, I think you have left bad habits before in your life. So it's possible to do it again, because bad habits kind of sneak up on us, right? When we are kind of in a vulnerable state, bad habits can sneak up on us. So, but we can master our feelings. We can develop good new routines that will be our habits that we do on autopilot, the good habits as well. It's very interesting with behavior, but it's so that is so important. If we analyze our behavior, write it down, as I said, for a week, and then you can see, okay, how much time did I invest in these different things that I've just wasted time? Because the time flies, and it's not a good idea to waste 5 years on something that's only making you miserable. So it's better to be kind of intentional with what you want to do. So I really want to encourage you to do that, to really be intentional, to really analyze what you want to do, get to know yourself better, and really investigate what you want to do, why you want to do it, what is your purpose, why do I want to do these different things in my life. So I really want to encourage you to do that. Check out my website. You can get some inspiration from my blog posts and also my other videos. So see you soon in another video. Be well. Bye.